Good morning, guys. Welcome to the another vlog. On the victory day of Kargil, I have a special bike which gives service to our soldier. It is the Royal Enfield Classic Desert Storm 500. The classic Desert Storm comes to you with a sand paint scheme reminiscent of the war era, a time when Royal Enfield motorcycles proved their capabilities and battle worthiness by impeccable service to soldiers in the harsh conditions of the desert. This motorcycle brings you the pleasure of modern motorcycling while reflecting the aura of eternal classic styling. Takes you after the Royal Enfield that served the soldier battling it out in the desert. Royal Enfield has kept its strong link with the armed forces alive by periodically introducing limited edition motorcycles that pay tribute to the sword arm of the nation. Royal Enfield harked back to the World War I and II eras with the classic 500 Desert Storm. The Royal Enfield launched this edition in 2011 and it had been discontinued since March of 2020. Let's check out the specification of this beast. It has the dispersion lens style headlamps with halogen bulb, and it has the tiger lamps. Here they are. Halogen bulb with turn indicator with the front telescopic suspension and 35 mm forks with 130 mm travel. It has the 19-inch front tire with 30 spoke alloy rim which are installed aftermarket, and the front tire 19 inches 90 by 90 MRF nylon grip, the tire which are best for Royal Enfield, nylon grip chopper, and it comes with front disc brake with 280 mm. The body type is cruiser of this Royal Enfield, and the front tire is 18 inch with 120 by 80. It also MRF nylon grip japper, and rear brake or drum with 153 mm with twin gas charged rear shocks, and the logo of alloy rims Prado. It comes with split seat, front seat with sockers and rear seat with pillion, and the logo of Royal Enfield on its tail. Halogen bulb turn indicator with tail lamp of 12-volt bulb, and the side profile of this machine is look like a decent, effective, impressive and amazing. In short term, no word for this beast. As I told you, front seat with sockers, and here it has air filter with the logo of Classic 500 and tank mounted ribbed thigh pads, the vintage graphic Royal Enfield. Its fuel tank is 15 liter and 2.5 liter is reserved fuel capacity of this bike. It comes with self and kickstart, the switch for headlamp and tiger lamp, the electric start, the analog speedometer, switch for high beam and spark and pass beam, and in your right side the choke. The yellow switch stand for pass light, the turn indicator switch, and The analog speedometer that will alarm you for stand alarm, low fuel indicator, low oil indicator, low battery indicator, turn signal, and pass light. It comes with chrome handlebar. It has the timeless styling, authentic post-war detailing complete with die-cast headlight. Let me turn on. Here we go. And the vintage graphic on the fuel tank and a choice of old world colors. And I am so lucky that I have this legendary machine. Okay, now let me switch off. And we talk about its engine. It comes with displacement of 499cc with twin spark EFI 500. EFI stand for electronic fuel injection, and Royal Enfield, which is self start motor. Behind that Royal Enfield logo, and here it is dual wet clutch, air filter, and that circle stand for you can put some documents in that. The black grab rail, manually chain open system, and the chrome exhaust. It comes with long pipe chrome exhaust and the side guard. It is fuse box, and it is the battery, which is 12 volt and 14 ampere. Engine of Royal Enfield with logo RE. The 5 manually gear transmission. The carb weight of this bike is 187 kg with 135 mm ground clearance, and the wheelbase of this bike is 1370 mm, length is 2180, and the seat height is 800 mm with height of 1080 mm. Now it's time to ride this machine. Here we go. It gives you consistent performance, high torque at low RPM for maximum pulling power. Make a ride uphill or your daily commute effortless. It has the unmatched stability. The 18-inch wheel offers optimum stability on the road, keeping you in control. It gives you maximum power 27.2 bhp at the rate 5250 rpm, and the maximum torque 41.3 Nm at the rate 4000 rpm. Its fuel delivery system works on Keyhine electronic fuel injection, which gives you legendary dependability whether on mountains or riding through plains or riding in rough areas. With its legacy and time-tested performance, this is a machine you can count on. And here it's time to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you like, please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Car Enthusiastic Searching. The name page you can see on your screen. And keep sharing, keep supporting, keep loving, keep subscribing. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in another vlog. Bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.